In this model question, 4 different places are given here, and on the right side you can find the location or the states, and we are asked to find out which of the pairs are correctly matched. Now before going to the answer, now these 4 places, they are not randomly selected places. There is an idea behind this. Now to understand this, let's look at the 2017 a map-based question which was asked from geography, right, in 2017 prelims examination. Like at one of the places in India, if you stand on the seashore and watch the sea, you will find that the sea water recedes from the shoreline a few kilometers and comes back to the shore twice a day, and you can actually walk on the sea floor when water recedes. This unique phenomena is seen at, right? So you are given here 4 different places, and the answer comes out as Chandipur, right? So this, answering such future question will seem like very difficult, right? And this question, for almost all of the candidates, this question was tough, right? Because all the options, they are actually coastal places. There is no way you can apply any elimination method unless you know these places exactly, right? Anyway, the answer for this question, 2017 question, is actually C, which is Chandipur. Now, let's look at 2011 question, which was asked from geography, right? It's related with the rivers, 2 important rivers, one with the source in Jharkhand and known by different name in Odisha, and another with its source in Odisha, merged at a place only a short distance from the coast of Bay of Bengal before flowing into the sea. This is an important site of wildlife and biodiversity and a protected area. Which one of the following could be this, right? A passage, and we have been again given 4 different places and asked to find out the place. Okay, here the answer comes out as A, which is Bittarkanika, right? But if we go through the options, you can find this Chandipur is given as option B there, which I have highlighted it, right? So a person who has seen this question and gone through all the options would be able to understand that the Chandipur is having this phenomena of receding sea or the tides. Now if you search regarding Chandipur, the first thing that comes out in the internet is actually the process of the tidal process which is taking place there, and due to that process, Odisha is promoting tourism in their coastal areas. Now, why I am showing these previous questions? Because it is very important for you to go through the previous questions. Not only the answer, rather than the options, right? All these places which are given in the option, which should be thoroughly gone through, right? The importance of those places should be understood. Now, this is one strategy in the coming days which you have to follow that will help you to clear prelims examination. Many questions and the concepts and important places and locations has been repeated throughout the prelims examination. So, you should mandatorily go through at least from 2005 till 2017 prelims questions, and all the places which are given in these questions has to be thoroughly gone through. Whether they are answer or not, the places in the options has to be thoroughly gone through. And as you have seen in this 2011 and 17 question, right? 2017 question, the answer was Chandipur. A person who has seen the 2011 question and prepared accordingly would have been able to answer the 2017 question. Anyway, right, our current question, right, the model question is all the places are selected from the 2017 prelims examination, right? This particular question, Bhavnagar, Bhimunipatnam, Chandipur and Nagapattinam, right? So now let's go back to the question and see which of these options are being correctly paired. So Nagapattinam is located towards the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu, right? It's located, eastern coast of India. It's a coastal district in Tamil Nadu, right? And the Bhimunipatnam is a coastal district in the Andhra Pradesh. And the Chandipur is a coastal district in the Odisha, and the Bhavnagar is located in Gujarat. Now let's go back to the question. So the first one, Nagapattinam, is matched with Andhra Pradesh, which is wrong, right? You can eliminate one from the options, and the second one, Chandipur, which is correctly matched with Odisha, and Bhavnagar is again correctly paired with Gujarat, and that means the correct answer is actually B, which is 2 and 3. Here the first and the fourth options, they are wrongly paired. So from this question, or why this question is important in the sense, when you're going through the previous questions, make sure you go through the options. Not only regarding geography, you can do this with any other subject, right? You will get many questions, statements and many concepts which are repeated from the previous question. And in the coming days, right? Few days before the prelims examination, this is one strategy which you have to follow religiously for clearing prelims examination.